Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about b equals to this one. And q equals to this one. Next, we have the s. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So this one we just have only y square. So first the derivative of y square we have 2y. And now we have 4xy. Next we have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to s. So we just have only s square. And we have 2sy. And this one we have 4sy. We see that 4sy, they are the same. So that is about exact. Next, we need to set up about the function fsy equals to the integration. So I select about this one plus 3sy. So the integration of 1 over s, we have Ln of the absolute value of s. The integration of 2s, we have s squared. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. This one we don't have y, so you got number 0. This one we have 2y. This one we have d over dy 3sy. And we know that this one equals to this one. Now we simplify 2xy where y 2x where y for the both sides. And now we have like this. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of cosine y, we have sine y. And I will put about c. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, we have 3xy. 3xy equals to this one. Now I will put this one equals to fsy. Fsy equals to c. And now we have like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.